how to clear RAM cache on Windows. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can clear your RAM cache. So let's jump straight into it. First things first, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape together to open up the Task Manager instantly. Once the Task Manager window pops up, head over to the Performance tab and click on Memory in the left-hand panel. Here, you'll get a detailed breakdown of your system's memory usage, including how much is currently sitting in the cache. In my case, it's showing just above 900 MB because I cleared it not too long ago, but as you can see, it's already starting to creep back up. Now, to clear that cache and keep things running smooth, we're going to use a lightweight Microsoft tool called RAM Map. You can grab it directly from the official Microsoft page. I've also dropped the download link for you in the video description. Once you're on the download page, click Download RAM Map. When the file finishes downloading, you'll notice it comes as a compressed zip file. Go ahead and extract it anywhere on your PC, just right-click and choose Extract All. After extraction, open the folder and launch the RAM Map application. Accept the license agreement and you'll land on the main interface. Here, you'll see your current cached memory. For me, it's sitting at a little over 900 MB right now. To clear it, click on the Empty menu at the top and select Empty Standby List. Give it a few seconds and you'll see that cached memory number drops significantly. If you make this a habit and do it daily, you'll keep your system light, responsive, and running like new. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.